Hello everyone, Namaste. I, Dr. Santosh Yadav, Assistant Professor in Department of Special Education, All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysore. Today I will be talking about overview of intellectual disability. What is intellectual disability? So, intellectual disability means that a person's mental growth is slower than their physical growth. Their brain does not develop fully either from birth or due to reason like illness, injury or genetics. Because of these, they may have difficulty in learning, solving problem or doing everyday things like talking, walking, taking care of themselves. Let's see what is impacting. Intellectual disability is not same for everyone. Some children may need little help, while other may need a lot of support. It can happen because of genetic reasons, environment factors and all. It's important to find out early if a child needs help. This does not mean giving them a label. It just means understanding where they may need extra support, like in a school, at home or in daily tasks. When parents, teachers, doctors, caregiver, they work together, they can help the child learn better and feel supported. Early help can make a big difference in the child's life. So now we'll discuss some definition about intellectual disability. First definition is according to the Mental Deficiency Act 1972. So if a child's brain stops developing before age 18, it's called mental retardation or intellectual disabilities. As RPWD Act 2016, it is saying a condition characterized by significant limitations both in intellectual functioning and in adopting behavior which cover a range of everyday social and practical skills. Let's understand the causes of intellectual disability. So there is majorly two causes, biological causes and environmental causes. One by one we'll see the biological causes. So in the biological causes, the first one, if the mother does not get enough health food during pregnancy, that also cause intellectual disability. If mother get sick while pregnancy, that also cause intellectual disability. If other family member also have similar condition like some genetic reasons, it also can cause. If the mother takes harmful medicines, drugs or drinks alcohol, that also cause intellectual disability. If there are problems during the baby birth, like the baby is not getting enough oxygens, that also can be a cause of the intellectual disability. So these are all the biological causes. Now we are moving to the environmental causes. So in the environmental causes, if there is any accident or head injuries, if the serious infection like meningitis happen, if the child is coming in the contact with the harmful chemical or radiation, that also can be cause of the intellectual disability. So these are all the environmental causes. Let's understand the types of intellectual disability. There are majorly three types of intellectual disability: Fragile X syndrome, Down syndrome and developmental delay. So Fragile X syndrome is a small change in the genes that affects brain growth and happen more often in the boys. And in the Down syndrome, a child is born with an extra chromosomes. Child to be slower and some physical features to look different. Here it is the child is looking some slower and looking some as a physical different. In the developmental delay, when a child is slower than the other, like in the walking or talking or to learning, so that is called a developmental delay. Intellectual disability is not a curse or not anyone's fault. With the right love, care and support, intellectual disability and adults, they can be grow and live happily. So we should support to them. Thank you.